2,500 US dollars in one day. That's right, in 24 hours with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now let me show over here. As you can see over here, right? I made over, and this is in euros, 2,333 euros in one day. That's basically 2,500 or almost 2,600 US dollars in one day. Now, how I did it? Now, you can see over here on my IG, you can formulate it over here, as you can see over here, right? And the links will be below in the description, below in YouTube, under the YouTube video, okay? So you can find every video below here. Now, to reach out to me, right, personally. Now, what is the most important thing that I want to share with you is this. As you can see over here, right? When you are promoting affiliate offers, you have to understand your audience levels, right? You need to understand the message the market match. This is the most important thing. So why most people make $0 or they lose money with quiz lenders on Facebook ads or YouTube ads? The reason why is because when it comes to quiz funnels, right, what everyone does is just throw up some ads, some random questions, right, to the quiz, and that quiz just asks a bunch of questions that are not related to the audience awareness level. So we have product aware audiences, unaware audiences, totally unaware audiences, and problem aware audiences, right? So we have different levels of audience awareness levels. Now, it depends what kind of language are you using for your quiz language, right? So the questions will often have zero thoughts, zero purpose, and also zero function. So just some, I don't know, easy, simple things that doesn't make sense. And that's why you're losing money, you see. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Again, if you're buying course for $2,000 to 3,000 US dollars and someone in Singularity course telling you need to make YouTube ads, VSLs, and you're not making any money, it's on purpose. They try to deceive you, scam you out of your money, because they are not telling you the true secret, which is basically understand your audience, who they are, their age level, demographics, income level, so you can compete on economics, okay? You can compete on words, on copywriting, but there is another level, which is economics, okay? Upsell take rate, how 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3, upsells, downsells, right? Triples, all these options to have as a ClickBank affiliate marketer to make money online. Now, if you're watching this video and if you really want to make a lot of money, travel all around the world, you can check my videos, my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube, everywhere. I'm sharing with you what is possible if you become someone who is super affiliate and actually make real money with affiliate marketing using MaxWeb or ClickBank affiliate offers. So as you're watching this video right now, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and below this video you can connect with me one-on-one on my IG, okay, on my Instagram, on my Facebook, on my WhatsApp, on my email. So everything is in the description below, and let me know. Let's get this started, and do not contact me if you don't have at least 1,000 US dollars to 5,000 or 6,000 euros in your bank account right now to actually make 10,000 or 30,000 euros per month in the income online, okay? So let me know and let's get this going.